Sunday. It's Sunday, guys, and we are going to go on a fun fall foliage drive. So let's hit the road.
Town Park. So right up the road is where we actually had our engagement party, and we drove all the way out to Canandaigua, which is like an hour from the house, and we just couldn't find the perfect spot. Pauline was looking. We drove all up and down all these random roads down along the lake, and we drove back here an hour, and then we're like, hey, why don't we go to Greece Canaltown Park? That's literally at the other end of our street.
All right, guys, back home now. I am gonna cook dinner. We're gonna have some tikka masala. My dad's been talking about it nonstop, and we found this simmer sauce at Aldi this morning, so I'm gonna make it. Our dinner, chicken tikka masala, and I made zucchini with it. Typically it has rice, but I'm trying to reduce those extra carb points. Phil, what's today's date?
October 19th.
And what are you working on right now?
Making my magic bands into Christmas decorations.
Phil put this up today. He has one ornament, it's Nico. And Zeus is pretty excited about it. Happy Wednesday. It is time for dinner, so let's get a cooking. So tonight we're gonna have this chicken fried rice with cabbage, zucchini, and carrots. Let's do it. Chicken is under the foil, trying to stay warm. We got the cooked rice, and then we are heating up some of the veggies. All right, I just heated up the rice with some sesame oil, and now we're gonna mix everything up with this sauce, and then we will top off our meal with sesame seeds, peanuts, and scallions. Here they are. Looks really good in a nice sized portion.
Hello folks, we're out for date night on a Thursday because we get the dog on Fridays, so we go on Thursdays now, and we're at Delmonico's Italian Steakhouse.
Phil's favorite.
It's one of the best. It's one of my favorite places in Rochester. It's not my favorite, but...
So what'd you get?
I got chicken Sinatra, which is basically chicken marsala over a bed of Utica greens with garlic mashed potatoes.
It looks really
Apparently
good.
it was one of Frank Sinatra's favorite meals.
Yum. And then I got classic chicken marsala.
We just finished up with dinner. It was delicious. We had a great time. We figured out some stuff that we're doing on the channel in the future that's going to be fun. More details to follow. And now we're at Target so Pauline can look at Christmas decor for the house.
Not a lot of Christmassy stuff in Target. I was told that there was, so a little disappointed about that. But we'll just have to come back in a couple weeks. Look at the foliage. It is fall. We're taking out Zeus's Christmas toys. Because why does one dog need a full bin of toys? Nobody knows. And these are just his Christmas toys. Hashtag spoiled. Meanwhile, he's got these treats he's examining. So my dad got these books. They're little notebooks and he's letting me pick one. So I gotta decide what one I want. I like this one, it's vintagey. This one, not really my style. I think my mom will like this one. Okay, I love this one. So cute, although the lines are very spread apart, but I do like the design. I love the font. I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm gonna take though. It's very Target. Love it. Oh, and the lines are nice and tight. Very good. This one is also super cute and vintagey. Little bit larger if you want to write more. Oh, this is maybe my second favorite one. It's very classic. Okay, I might have chosen wrong because this is the one my mom picked. Look, holiday shopping list. Elf on the Shelf ideas, Christmas shopping list. Holiday party planner, guest list.
Yes, yes.
Christmas card, Christmas day. Look at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're planning out what you're gonna eat. Oh my gosh. Holiday grocery list, Christmas day feast, meal prep reminders, Christmas memories. Oh, this is great. There's more notebooks. Look at, there's this deer one. I get to pick one. These are from Staples. There's this skiing one and snow fun one. And then there's this plaid one. And the best part about these notebooks is they have like a little binding with thread.
Good job. Could be.
Oh my gosh, and they're the dotted kind. Are they all the dotted kind?
Is this your life's work?
Oh, this one's blank.
This was my life's work.
This one's lined. Darn it! I want this one, but I want it dotted. This is an impromptu unboxing of something Phil got me that came to my parents' house for some reason. Let's open it up. They're the saffron ears. Ooh, they're very velvety. And the bow's kind of like...
What is it, velvet?
The bow's kind of like a... I don't know, they're kind of like paper, those paper shorts. Kind of like that fabric. So cute. Look at them. I love them so much. I cannot wait to wear them in my videos. Thank you, Phil. Hello everyone, Pauline from the future, here to tell you that it is Saturday in this vlog and we are going to be going to Phil's family's house for a little Halloween get together. I am actually making for the first time ever a lobster bisque. It was very nerve-wracking because there was a lot of lobster in there and you don't want to mess that up. But let's check out all the delicious food. Well, that is it for this week, guys. We had so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what was your favorite part about our week this week. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, we would love for you to join the Mouse and Mermaid family. So hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.